Forever gotta hustle, I got that pad guarantee I'm going to the right direction with this. Baby girl fucking with this, she got a tight grip on her whole lifeline. She depend on me, everybody depend on me. Even my C's, they look up to me. I'm never with the bullshit, that nigga there run his upper lip, I bust him in his bottom lip. Just for disrespect, I'm guaranteed to rep. Everybody know I'm blessed and I'm fresh to death. Gotta thank God for the little thing. Everybody blessed, don't thank God for none of them things. I'm far for that, guaranteed to handle that. Hey, never hesitated about nothing. It's just my time. I'ma understand that it's my time. That nigga, he got a pack. Should I get it for him? I'ma have to get it for him. Yeah, he ain't police, but that nigga might snitch. No, that nigga, he a bitch. Might motherfucker turn on me. Yeah, he pretend to be G Code. That nigga fuckery, bitch made. That nigga there just don't know real shit.